Have you ever wondered why some people keep a bread clip in their wallet? It might seem a bit odd, right? Well, it turns out these tiny plastic wonders are surprisingly versatile. One popular use is as a makeshift money clip. If your wallet's overflowing with crumpled bills, a bread clip can neatly hold your cash together, preventing it from getting lost or messy. They're also fantastic for labeling. Got a bunch of similar-looking keys? Write a quick note on a bread clip and attach it to the key. No more guessing which key opens what. And for those annoying tangled cords, a bread clip comes to the rescue. Wrap your earphones, chargers, or other cables neatly and secure them with a clip to keep them organized and tangle-free in your bag or workspace. Need a quick bookmark? A bread clip can save your page in a pinch. Just slide it onto the page you're reading to mark your spot. What about a broken zipper pull? A bread clip can serve as a temporary, sturdy fix, helping you open and close your bag or jacket. And for a surprising travel hack, some people use them to fix a broken flip-flop strap. If the V-shaped part comes out, you can slip a bread clip underneath the bottom to act as a plug stopper. While some viral ads might overstate their uses, these little clips are lightweight, easy to carry, and can be incredibly handy for various small fixes and organization. So next time you finish a loaf of bread, think twice before tossing that clip. Subscribe for more amazing facts.